If your dog struggles with anxiety, excessive barking, or destructive chewing, the Dog Calming Pheromone Diffuser Kit offers a simple, effective solution. This 6-in-1 kit includes 2 plug-in diffusers and 4 refills, designed to provide continuous calming support across your entire home. It's ideal for multi-room living spaces, creating a soothing environment that helps your dog relax naturally. Dogs often react to stressful situations like thunderstorms, fireworks, or being left alone. This diffuser targets those common triggers by releasing advanced calming pheromones that mimic the comforting signals dogs recognize. The result? Reduced whining, pacing, indoor marking, and restlessness, helping your pet feel safer and more secure every day. What sets this kit apart is its long-lasting performance. Each diffuser covers up to 700 square feet and offers up to 120 days of continuous use. Whether you live in an apartment or a larger home, this system delivers consistent calming benefits without the need for sedation or medication, making it a reliable part of your dog's daily routine. Using the diffuser is effortless. Just plug it in where your dog spends most of their time, and it quietly works in the background. The formula is odorless and non-sedating, so it won't disrupt your household or your dog's normal behavior. It's safe for puppies and adult dogs of most breeds, making it a versatile choice for any pet owner. This calming kit is designed to help in everyday stressful situations, whether it's separation anxiety, loud noises, visitors, or changes in routine. By encouraging calm behavior day after day, it not only improves your dog's well-being but also strengthens the bond you share. A more peaceful home means a happier dog and a more relaxed you. If that's you, this diffuser kit is worth a look. It offers real, ongoing relief without the hassle of medication or complex treatments. Try it when you're ready to see how consistent calming support can transform your dog's behavior and bring peace back to your home. In short, the Dog Calming Pheromone Diffuser Kit delivers what matters: continuous, effective anxiety relief that fits seamlessly into your life. With up to 120 days of use and coverage for multiple rooms, it's a smart investment for any dog owner looking to reduce stress and promote calm. Give your dog the comfort they deserve and enjoy a quieter, more relaxed home environment.